Hello, ladies and lads, and welcome back to the Baby Patch. You're looking at Cooing Chloe. I put her good, warm, snuggle bunny on her. It's kind of chilly out today. Plus, she's so snuggly in this. If you're new to the channel, welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. The best way to support this channel is to watch the video from start to finish. And if you like the content, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Tap the thumbs up and leave me a comment. Your support is greatly appreciated. Today, I've got more Happy Mail. Oh, I done it again. Put that address out there. I'm going to have to learn to open it first halfway, right? Let's do that. Now, that's better. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Okay, I got this Happy Mail from my good friend, my dear sweet friend, Debbie Jenkins. And she sent me a Happy Mail before, and I swear the package was just riddled. I mean, it looked like it done been opened once, you know. It was tore all to pieces. So, I was pretty upset about that. And then, I accidentally showed her address. So, I couldn't even use that one. Oh, I love this box. Happy birthday. Oh, I didn't know you knew it was my birthday, Debbie. Oh my goodness, look how pretty. Oh, how sweet. Gonna make me cry again. Thoughts of someone nice are always the smiliest kind of thoughts. Thinking happy thoughts of you today. Love, Debbie. Oh, God bless you, sweetheart. Thank you so much. That's beautiful. I think of you every day, Debbie. I really do, honey. Isn't it funny how we can make friends and we wish we could be near each other all the time, you know? Oh, look, how beautiful. Oh, Dad. I hope I can be just half the friend some of these ladies are to me. I didn't want to tear that up, but I already did that. Let's just get into it, okay? Oh my goodness! Look at that. Oh, look! Oh my goodness! Look at that little dress. Now, Debbie's sending me little pantaloons. How precious, Debbie! Thank you. That's gorgeous. Will it fit our babies? See, Debbie and I, we're getting, well, I'm getting, she's already got hers, Longo dolls. Longo babies. And mine's a ways off. I mean, you know, there's a waiting list. She's that good. Oh, look at that. Isn't that precious? But, oh, and it's lined. I'm sorry. It's a little pink and white, tiny little checks dress. And it's got half sleeve, well, a little less than half sleeves, 1/4 sleeves, let's say. And it's got a gathered neckline with little pink roses in it, and a little outline around the neck, and little long-legged pantaloons, and a bonnet with ruffles around the front with the same color, and the little roses on each side. How cute! And it's lined inside. This is gorgeous, Debbie. Thank you so much. This is beautiful, darling. Okay. Oh, she sent more sachet. Those things smell so good. Oh, Betty, you didn't have to do this, honey. Diapers. Hey, we're gonna need diapers. Yeah, our babies from Diana Longo has drinking wet. So yeah, we're gonna need diapers, right, Deb? Okay. Yeah, we got it. She's sending me stuff to Twin in. Oh my gosh! Look at this! Oh my goodness, look at that. Oh, it's got a little. You didn't make this, did you, Deb? Did you make this? This is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to use this. Start to say I can't wait to wear it. Oh my goodness, look at these. Oh, oh, and then she got little tissues in the toes. Oh my goodness. Thank you, sweetheart. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at this little tail. Look at that. Look at those ears. Oh, those ears. Those are adorable. Oh my goodness. But anyway, thank you, Sugar. These are beautiful. I love it. Oh my goodness. I love knitted stuff and crocheted stuff, and I don't have anything crocheted or knitted. But this is adorable, Debbie. Thank you, honey. Oh, and everything smells so good. Everything smells so divine. I'm going to put these back in here, and this is where I'll keep her stuff. But Deb and... let's see, Debbie and me and another one of the ladies. Deb is planning on us all 320 together with our dolls. And I just can't wait. That doll is just absolutely beautiful. Debbie, you are a sweetheart. You're a true friend, honey. Thank you so much. And sending me things ain't what makes you a true friend. Being there, you know, talking to me, being with me, checking on me, you know, that's what makes a true friend. And you know, you sit and you think sometimes and you wonder, do I even have a true friend, you know? But when you have somebody that checks on you and keeps in touch with you and, you know, keeps up with you, that's what somebody you can talk to and tell stuff, and they feel the same, comfortable doing the same with you. Okay, yes. But anyway, thank you, sweetheart. This is beautiful. I thank you very much. Everybody stay well. Take care of each other. Love each other. Always be kind. And we'll talk to you later. See you in the next video. Bye.